production side of things, washing, steaming all the rice, putting all the ingredients together, maintaining the tanks.
So now that we know a little bit about who you are, what the brewery is all about, and what people can expect and enjoy here, do you mind if we take a little tour of the brewery?
Sure.
All right, let's get to it.
Right. So this guy right here is our rice steamer. Boil water in this guy.
Sure.
Steam goes through here.
Okay, so we steam the rice.
Steam the rice.
After the
Steam
rice.
the rice. That's why we had this set up over here.
Okay.
We had these fans here to cool the rice.
Okay, so you just literally take the rice out.
Yeah, put it on a tray here, and then from there, transfer the rice to the tanks. And it's only the first stage of the sake process.
So this is like the base.
Yes, this will turn into our jumai, our nigori, and our gama.
Got it.
It's how you treat it after the press.
Okay.
So it's rice, rice water, yeast, and then a goji rice. And right now, you mix it all in, so all the enzymes, everything will start activating. Those tanks are fermenting for almost 4 weeks, over a course of 4 days. You'll add more rice, add more water, and add more protein.
Gotcha.
You can see how the rice is breaking down.
Could you drink this?
You could. Right now it's about almost 16% alcohol. This tank is in the middle stages. You can see it's very active.
Oh, yeah, oh my gosh.
Yeah, the yeast is.
It's like literally
It's like,
bubbling and frothing.
Once everything's fermented and ready to go, have it lined up to go into our press.
Okay.
We have bags, we pump it full of rice, and we lay them down. Bag actually acts like a filter. Press it down, a lot of weight, slowly. So it might take 2 days. But once it gets pressed, trained into this guy. And this guy we can pump into our bright tank.
Okay.
You send it to our bright tank. Because you see the color here, it's very cloudy, very nigori style.
Right.
After a few days, all the sediment will fall to the bottom. And then it's easier to filter out the jumai, the clear jumai and nama, and then leave the nigori at the bottom. The jumai and nama we take out of the tank here, run it through a filter just to clean it up a bit more.
Right.
And then after that, with the jumai and the nigori will pasteurize.
After pasteurization, the sake is then bottled. Caps are added and the bottles are sealed. Labels are then carefully applied by hand, and the gods are given their share.